Friends, today is the third Thursday of November, and in the year 2002, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, has resolved to declare or to earmark this day as the day of World's Philosophy Day. Well, this is a special gesture from the United Nations as a token of its appreciation for the profound value of this field of knowledge. Well, philosophy as a term is not amenable to any precise definition, but that does not mean that a lack of definition is something which would be impacting the core value of the field of knowledge. Any field of knowledge, be philosophy or any other. In contemporary times, philosophy as a field of knowledge is considered to be not holding any practical value, unlike the field of science and technology. There is a ready-made acceptance to the outcome of scientific inquiries. The ready-made acceptance is born out of the empirically verifiable format by which the scientific inquiries go about. The scientific explanation about what something is, the systematic explanation of what something is, and based upon which certain technological innovations could be made with their promise to benefit the human society, obviously makes scientific inquiries more readily acceptable than that of philosophical inquiries, which do not fit into empirical format and remain to be abstract. When it comes to the relationship between science and philosophy, they're complementary to each other. Both of them indulge in inquiries. They get into state of affairs. Science is something which discovers facts. It can explain as to what something is in a verifiable manner. So far as philosophy is concerned, in fact, it goes much deeper. It just doesn't stop at getting an explanation as to what something is. It goes much beyond. Its inquiries are much critical. Why, what for? So many questions. I feel the answer from science as to what something is can still leave the human world in a state of imperfection and ignorance. If the concerned science fails to take into consideration the philosophical inquiries about the true value of such knowledge, I think we are only contributing to the imperfection of human world or ignorance of human world. The true value of philosophy lies in its attempt to make deeper and critical inquiries into the most fundamental questions. This is the true value of philosophy. We know pretty well that thoughts are behind actions. If thoughts are shallow, actions can be shallow. If the thoughts are well founded by critical inquiries, actions would be more meaningful and more beneficial. The core value of the philosophy lies in its capacity to inspire micro thought process. So let us appreciate this field of knowledge. Let us celebrate World's Philosophy Day in its true spirit.